What's the meaning of circuit breaker? Circuit breaker. Circuit breaker.
Circuit breaker. Circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by excess current from an overload or short circuit. It is a safety device that can quickly break the circuit if it detects abnormal conditions, preventing damage and reducing the risk of fire or electrocution. When a circuit breaker trips, it interrupts the flow of electricity and stops power from reaching the affected area. This helps to prevent further damage and ensures safety for people and property.